everybody. Christmas season is here, so we're going to be doing another quick video to create this air fillet Christmas present balloon, just with air, no helium required. I promise this one is super easier than the pumpkin that we did last time. So let's get started. I already create this one. You can see it's half. I already picked. I'm using streamers to do the side, you know, and I already stick one, and I'm going to just pass the other one around, and we're going to put a bow on the top. It is an easy, very easy activity. You can use it like for photography props, just to put it under your tree, you know, to fill up the spaces until you're ready with all your Christmas presents, or you know what, just to have fun with the kids. So let's do this. I don't know where I leave my scissors. You know, I already have a glue dot here. Then I'm going to be going around. I don't know where my scissors are. I'll be back. I'm back. And we're just going to just attach it into, we can use the same spot for the glue dots, or you can use double-sided tape. It works too. I made some of these for a decoration for a corporate event like almost 2 weeks ago, and they had so much fun. They had Santa Claus over, and the employees, they were taking their pictures with the Santa Claus, and they were holding the presents, and they had a great time with it, you know. Look at that, super easy. You just need a cute balloon. You can find it at your local party store where they sell balloons. Streamers, I'm using streamers, the kind of the foil kind, or you can use any kind of lace. I have seen some people using wire laces. I don't know how that, you have to be very careful, but this one is super easy, you know, to take pictures with the family, to fill spaces, to hang it. What do you think? I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.